Imagine if everything you were taught in school was a lie. Imagine that the horizon you see every single day isn't curving, but the edge of a massive, frozen world. Today, in 2026, while humanity is planning cities on Mars, millions of people still believe the Earth is completely flat. Why? Is there a massive global cover-up, or is this the greatest psychological illusion in human history? Stay with me, because the truth is far more shocking than you've been led to believe. Flat Earthers. To many it sounds like a joke, but for those who believe, it's a serious global conspiracy. Their core argument is simple. Trust your own senses. Look at the horizon. It looks perfectly flat. If the Earth was a spinning ball at 1,000 miles per hour, why don't we feel any motion? In their model, the Earth is a stationary disk with the North Pole at the center. Surrounding everything is a gigantic 150-foot tall wall of ice, Antarctica, that holds the oceans in and prevents us from falling off the edge. They claim NASA and governments are heavily guarding this ice wall to hide what's beyond it. Every single photo of a round Earth from space, just CGI. All of it designed to keep humanity controlled and ignorant. But why would they go through all this trouble? That's the question that keeps people hooked. Now let's look at the cold hard facts. The flat Earth. Theory starts falling apart the moment we apply basic physics and observation. First, gravity. On a flat disk, gravity would pull everything toward the center, the North Pole. The farther you walk toward the ice wall, and the more it would feel like walking uphill at a steeper and steeper angle. That's not what we experience anywhere on Earth. Second, lunar eclipses. The Earth's shadow on the moon is always perfectly round, no matter the angle. A flat object can only cast a round shadow from one single position. Yet for thousands of years, every eclipse shows a circular shadow. Third, ships disappearing over the horizon. As a ship sails away, the hull vanishes first, while the top of the mast remains visible longer. On a flat Earth, the whole ship would simply shrink until it's too small to see. This bottom first disappearance only happens because the surface is curved. Fourth, different stars in different hemispheres. People in Australia or South Africa see completely different constellations, like the Southern Cross, that are invisible in the Northern Hemisphere. On a flat plane, everyone would see the exact same sky. They don't. The reality: our planet is a beautiful, spinning oblate spheroid, a sphere, slightly flattened at the poles, floating in space. We've known this for over 2,000 years, and every modern technology from GPS to flights to weather forecasts confirms it. In the end, the flat Earth. Movement is less about science and more about deep distrust in authority and institutions. In our age of information, old myths are making a surprising comeback.